today I'm going to be teaching you guys something that I put together for my own sets called the hook to an air shuffle.
I was raised in terrain when the boys they gang bang. I strive to make change and still grind to make change. And the world is my stage in this mystical age. I'm a hustler, baby. I just want you to know I'll sell Ray to a rope. I'll sell an Eskimo snow. See, I've been all around the world, but now it's time to explode. This ain't a fake it to make it mode. I don't wear fake gold. See, I'm
hook into air shuffle is just a combination of a get down into if you haven't seen, it's a combination of using two concepts where I'm going to footwork level into a mid level. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, I suggest you watch the 7 levels concept video that I posted up either somewhere around here, I'll link down below, or somewhere. Just look for the 7 levels concept. You'll find it. Okay. So, just to give context, the footwork level is more like here. Mid-level is coming up. It's not so much of a mid-level freeze. Is more like a forearm freeze. Okay. You're not exactly extending your hands, and I'm just aiming to use different levels and dynamics to make the move, to make my dancing look more explosive. One of the things I want you guys to do is be able to dance dynamically, not just go up, down, but I want you to be able to show like a roller coaster ride. Give people a visual and aesthetically pleasing dance instead of just being up here all the time. Okay, up here all the down here, and be very formatted. I give you guys a format just to work with: top rocks, get downs, footwork, freeze. Very basic format. That's why I also give you guys the freestyle format. Check that out too. So, anyways, hook to air shuffles. Okay, so you're gonna start off with a hook. You can do anything you want getting into it. You can either do a jump down, okay, or you can do a slide into a hook. Okay, doesn't matter. Just get into a hook like this, or you can even just go into a 6-step. Okay, from here you're gonna jump and do this specific foot pattern, and it's very important that you have decent core strength and arm strength. So I recommend doing push-ups, handstand push-ups, abs, not abs, yeah, abs, but any of the calisthenic videos that I have on my YouTube. So the footwork pattern looks like this. I extend, okay, boom, then I bring this back in, I kick, hook. Okay, I'm gonna sit real quick so you guys can see the pattern. Okay, so I'm not sure if the back camera is super useful today, but hopefully you're useful today. But anyways, we're gonna kick out this right leg, switch out. Okay, it's a very quick version of the shuffle, which I recommend you guys watching, there's a very basic version of that, but this is a little bit more variation of the shuffle. Okay, so I hook, kick, switch, boom. I would recommend doing that a couple times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And once you go faster, okay, a little faster on the floor. Try not to let the mic fall out. I'm gonna kick up. I'm gonna go for it. Boom, boom. Okay, so extend as much as you can. Kick, switch, and come back in it. Okay, boom, 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 boom. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, or 1 and 2 and, depending on how you want to count the music. Okay, so putting that together, okay, I'm gonna come from a jump down, hook, okay, air shuffle. Cool, and then that's it. Pretty much short, easy move. Prerequisites: no air shuffle, have some decent calisthenic body weight strength, because if you don't have that, you're probably going to be kind of here and then you fall over like that. Okay, so alright, so just recapping everything, because I just want to make sure I cover it. Okay, any kind of get down you want. Okay, boom, you can go into a ninja, go into a hook. You just got to end up in this position. Kick out. Okay, right, switch left, right, hook, or if you're on the other side. Okay, I've never done this side. And left, right, and switch. I'm gonna try it. Yeah, see? It's not too bad. Okay, boom. You just gotta be quick with your feet. And there are exercises for that, but I'm not gonna try to extend this video any longer than it should be. Anyways, that's it for my own get down that I use, the hook to air shuffle. I hope you guys enjoy it, use it. Send me videos if you guys use it, because I love that stuff, because you know, it's not just my move, so to speak. It's for everyone to learn. That's why I'm teaching this. Main thing, make sure you're stretched. So, and if this is your first time discovering my channel and you are only seeing this one move, or you're seeing a whole bunch of tutorials and you're still trying to figure out how to put moves together, you know, going from your tops, putting together your tops in general, to your get downs, to your footwork, to your freezes, to even just some basic power moves. If you're trying to figure out how to not just learn the moves and put them together, I recommend that you guys check out the free online workshop that I have. It's been up for a while. A lot of students have taken it. I really go step by step, super detailed on how to put these moves together, and also help you find a way to, so you're not thinking about it, or it just flows naturally. Okay, so if you guys are interested in that, make sure you click the link down below, sign up for the free workshop. Everything will just be sent to you automatically. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit like, share this with a friend who you think might love it, enjoy it. Another friend who's trying to learn how to dance. Comment with any questions that you have in mind. And that's it. Hope you guys had fun. I'll talk to you guys next time. Peace.
Down the 5 while I'm bumping that steel pulse. So one love to my peeps that show no love. Smoke bud, medicate. You need to meditate. See, I'll be doing me the best that I know how. Salute to the Medis and the ones with the grow house. We live, we grow.